Hi Yasmin, my name is Jeff and I am a co-founder of Logo Leads, and I believe you spoke with my wife Megan recently about a quick website audit to show where your company is ranking currently and what your competitors are doing to claim the top spots in Google. So in this video I'm going to go over a couple of easy ways to beat your competition online. Now we know that most business owners are extremely busy and they don't have time to handle all the marketing needs of their business. So we started making these videos to help other small business owners like ourselves basically maximize the value from the websites that they create and drive as much paying traffic as we can to websites and other forms of media. So if you have any questions or if you'd like to discuss any further, we'd love to hop on a call and talk. But either way, this video is 100% yours to keep, and we hope that it helps you generate more customers here in the future. So the three things we want to go over today are content, backlinks, and citations. Content, by definition, is anything that the front page of your site that Google can read. So it's all the text on the front page, all the text within your images, and whatever images are saved as. Now, to be considered authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page, and you're going to want it to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent. So specifically, you'd want to be looking at things like general contractor, Garland, Texas, Garland Roofing, which actually, side note, is an excellent one for you to try to rank for due to high volume and low difficulty to rank for it, and other keyword phrases along those lines. That way, when anyone types in those searches into Google, yours will be the first one that pops up. So taking an initial look at your website, I can tell a lot of time, effort, and money has been poured into it by how professional it looks, how easy to navigate it is. You have your selectable menu up here. You have your different certifications, lots and lots of various different text for your services. And then just going to your actual home page, pull up here. Again, same, very easy to read and clickable links to your different service pages. Definitely could do a little bit more as far as content goes to get that 1,500 word mark, but we'll get to that point here in a moment. Let's see here. So a suggestion that we have is going to be to make sure that your dedicated service pages are hitting a different word count threshold. So we want to shoot for 500 words of content. Again, making sure that it's chock full of high yield keywords. And let's see here. Oh, I did really like the video message from Jason here. That actually goes way above and beyond what most websites will do. And then you have the tagging of your credentials down here. So overall, an excellent homepage. Just a little bit more content's needed with keywords, which is very relevant, because the next thing I wanted to talk to you is about backlinks. So the thing with Google is that it could be like a popularity contest because they judge you by how many websites are pointing back at you. Now, it's very important to remember not all backlinks are created equal. So what that means is you're going to gain a lot more influence from backlinks that are related to your industry. For example, a reputable home improvement blog that mentions your company, or a popular website that features various types of home services, something that has to do with the services that you offer, as opposed to a local Domino's pizza link or Macy's department store, stuff that has absolutely no bearing on what you actually do. So what I did is I plugged it into our backlink tool here. It's called Ahrefs. And we're showing that you have over 1,000 backlinks from 86 referring domains, which is very good. Looks like you are ranking for 583 different organic keywords, which is driving about 335 people to your website, which is very good. However, once I take a look at the actual keywords that you are ranking for, it doesn't appear to be the most high yield buyer intent. And what that means is the top thing that you are ranking for rakes in about a third of your traffic is just your name, classic construction, which that can be a good thing if people are already familiar with your website, but not necessarily for new buyer or new customers that are in need of your services. You're going to want to try to rank for things like I said, general contractor Garland, Texas, Garland Roofing. And so it just really looks like a lot of the stuff that you're ranking for are what we call national keywords or keyword phrases. So who repairs sidewalk, sidewalk repair responsibility, all very, very informative stuff. So that's probably where a lot of traffic is going and yielding from your website is information as opposed to converting them into buyers or customers for your services. So you definitely would want to try to restructure the keywords that you are ranking for. Now, we did want to take a look at your top competitor in a specific keyword. What I did is I looked at Garland Roofing. Like I said before, it's an excellent keyword phrase to rank for because it has a lot of volume and it's not very difficult to rank for. And what came up as your top competitor is Garland Roofing. So naturally, searching for their name, that's going to help bring them to the top. However, you can see they have about a fifth, less than or it's a little more than a fifth of your backlinks, not nearly as many domains, and then their traffic is only 16, but they are still ranking higher than you for Garland Roofing. Just to show you, right here is Garland Roofing. You'll see the volume, the monthly volume is 300, and this 4, that means that the closer you are to 0, the easier it is to rank for. You can see here Garland Roofing, and all that means is that it would be very, very easy for you to rank for that if you tailored your website to target Garland Roofing on your roofing page, and then you can actually be raking in all that extra volume. The last thing I wanted to discuss with you is something called citations. Citations is going to be for specifically for something called the Google Map Pack. So I'm just going to do a general search here of Dallas, or let's do DFW roofing. And this map right here that pops up, that is the Google Map Pack. And the goal is to end up in these top 3 spots right here. What you do is you have to acquire and put your name out there on local directories. Those are called citations. That is your name, address, and phone number on things like Home Advisor, Yelp, White Pages, Yellow Pages. All those are different online directories. And the more of those that you have, the higher that you'll rank here. So simple strategy that we always say is just to go after the same directories that these top ones have, and then add a 20 to 30% cushion. And then by the time that you rank there, you'll already have way more citations than them, and then they'll just be playing catch up with you. And what you do is you just keep on adding those citations along the way. So if you have any questions, you are obviously more than welcome to give us a call. We would love to discuss it further with you. And we hope that you are able to benefit from this video. Thank you so much for watching, and have an excellent rest of your day.